Hello and welcome as we move into the sixth day of February 2017. My name is Derek and welcome to the Silver Charts channel on YouTube and the Money Charts channel on BitChute, as that is the new site in which you can find my videos on as well. In this video, taking a look at the daily chart and quickly a few ideas in stocks, sort of like a casino style game using the 18 average and Fibonacci and all that kind of stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. And major situation which has previous resistance being tested as support successfully. Since then, a move from this band, it's looking as if it's breaking out to make a new higher high amongst all of these short-term ones, with the last one coming on Thursday of the previous week. The resistance level that I talk about on the break, I would think around 18, which matches the weekly chart Fibonacci, as well as the psychological even number, but the momentum is riding higher. I calculated on Sunday before the Super Bowl that there was between a 4 and a 5% chance that the game would be played in overtime, and I was offered 1 in 10 odds. I thought that's profitable. It lost, but the risks amounts were low, because you never know. So if you're playing these types of games, you're going long now, and well, you could have probability in your odds. Doesn't mean you're going to win, but most of the times you will in these situations. It's probably going to go up here without real much of a correction. I think short term, this low from Friday is going to be really important, but it should hold that throughout the day. This is pretty much the main thing that I want to go over as far as this chart is concerned, because if you play the casino game where you look for different codes, I'm just going to go through these very quickly. This is code COP. If I were playing the casino online game of trading these funds, I would see this as a failed breakdown. Failed moves often indicate fast moves, and a play to this previous high would not surprise me. Next code, SYMC, has had major resistance amongst this level, and it's breaking out now. It's well below this high currently, as it ended the week at 28.41, and the previous high is 34. Lots of upside room available. Strategic play may be to consider on any price correction back down here to maybe scoop in that area to again play to the previous highs. Moving forward, this one doesn't look strong at all. It retraced 50%, not 61% on its last major correction, and has been struggling lately. This support level, it's its third test that it's going through. It's also key alternate Fibonacci amongst this high, which gives good downside targets down to 27. Another quick one. Situation again where major resistance comes back after a long duration and decent price correction. This situation in here had a small amount but consistent time, a little bit of price, and it has been going higher. Just like the previous chart, this high is 173. It's priced in at 159, which happens to be the 76.4% Fibonacci. I think any moves down here looks very strong, and very cautious play to go in long now to play for the 174 top, because it's a little overextended from the 18 average band as it plays out. Final chart, code NI, which there's your classic failed move and a fast move that you expect to always go up this high, but using Fibonacci upside, where I use this high and this low, it has just been continuously going up So I would think a move to the 161.8 level in at close to 33 is in order. We're also in a situation in which you've had one of the rare corrections within this band. It could very easily have the warnings to come back here and test previous resistance, but it could very easily also come to this point. Key support maybe if you play under this band. And these are different types of codes that I looked at very quickly that I decided were just worth talking about quickly. I thought about putting up or talking about these charts in about a 10-12 minute video, but in this case I'm not going to. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll talk to you later on. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.